Lamplight soft on wooden floors. Rain writes songs outside my door. Blanket heavy, heart feels slow. Nothing